Oh god, it's pretty windy. This is the engine we've got for all day. With the tank. Get a picture of it. You can't hear me properly because there's wind. And also, I'm wearing... Wow. There we go. Okay, because of the coronavirus and stuff like that, we have to have our own compartments. This is huge. Got this to ourselves, and you even get given things to do and actual proper hand gel as well, and a bin bag, a big bin bag. Well, this whole thing to ourselves. Got 2 windows. Let's have a look outside my window. But this whole thing, that's mental. Wicked. And we're off. Leaving Kidderminster for Bridgnorth. Oh, they have as well. Station, we're not stopping at this first station because no one's allowed on or off. I think we're not stopping anyway. Let's see if I can zoom in on the engine while it's turning the corner. Oh, it's not very good. Sorry guys. There's a house for sale. Oh, that'll be on my blog now. This is the Ship Inn, which is one of our favourite places to go. Do the second or probably even the first best pork scratchings in this place. Not got some at this time because I wasn't hungry, but the view from there is this. The River Severn, hence why it's called the Severn Valley Railway. But oh, there's a man fishing down there. I can see him. The railway is somewhere up there. Oh, there's one trip. Oh, that's far away. It's very windy. I do apologise for this video. It's not going to be great. But yeah, this is we always stop here. Always try and stop here. Okay, I've had that on Boxing Day, that train. Anyway, I'm going to end this vlog, today's vlog here, and just enjoy the rest of today. Without thinking I need to vlog. But it's been a good day so far. A bit windy, but it's calmed down now. But yeah, stick around for watch tomorrow's vlog, and I'll see you guys soon.